Hello everyone. Today I will talking about the Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit. There's two kind of Holy Spirit. One, he comes and inside the person and live inside person, and this is the ground for the Holy Spirit. Is love. God, when He love someone, He give him the Holy Spirit. So Holy Spirit live inside him, and this is the ground for the Holy Spirit. And the other Holy Spirit is came when someone preach or someone pray to other person to be healed from sickness or cast demon from others. And that's why people, they get the Holy Spirit. The first one is very important and is the most higher, stronger. He came from the Holy Spirit, the first from beginning, like Jesus when He sent the Holy Spirit to student to Him from beginning. He's come inside them, and this is never leave this person till he die. This is the ground for the Holy Spirit. I get the Holy Spirit, the first one, and I know Holy Spirit is fire, and He live inside me. And when I pray, He get more stronger. Every time He show I'm here, I take position here in this place, and I know I feel it because I compare my life before I get the Holy Spirit. I didn't feel these things, but now I feel everything. And it can happen to person from other person. Like me, I can walk in the Spirit. How I walk in the Spirit? This is very difficult, but the Spirit, what I get inside me, He can transfer me so I can see visions about people around me. Sometimes they do bad things to me, I can see them. And sometimes good people, God, He want me to help them, I help them. This is walk in the Spirit. Many people I was here, they say, you walk with God. Yes, I walk with God, but not, means is following God and following Jesus. Not me, I walk in the Spirit, because this is high level for the Christian. And Jesus Himself, He gave me this. That's why I'm talking about this. And when you see, sometimes you see demons, they want to attack you. God, He showed me many things. I was seeing demons, devils, and angels, because He want to protect me. That's why He give me this. The ground for the Holy Spirit is like a high level. When come to you, everyone he know what they're talking about. Everyone he get the Holy Spirit inside him. He know exactly what they're talking about. And even one word, I'm not a liar with this. They know I'm talking true, because they live like me. They know. That why is very good to tell other people they didn't have these things, because maybe one day they get it and they didn't wonder, or they cannot be scary, because this means God love you, because that's why He want to protect you and show you. You see human, you see other worlds all same time, and you walk in the Spirit. I was walking in the Spirit. I still walk in the Spirit. And now I get I live in this city, and I know every city there's like devil boss control the city, and this devil for the city, he start to against me when I get the Holy Spirit. That's why I'm talking about this. Very important. and he sent small demons, and demons I cast them away because I have the Holy Spirit. And he start to be angry, and he can't do anything to me, but now he use people around me to make problem. Small problem, they stop my economy, they stop my education. Now I'm home, but the devil, he is not clever. He want to attack, but he didn't know I get more stronger when I'm alone with God. I get more. God, the Most High, He give me higher. He high me in the spirit. That's why when you get hard, when you get difficult, you start to be hard. That's why I start to be more stronger, and with God, not with and devil. Now he make big mistake because he know he lose this, and the devil there is like boss, and under him demons, and they have every level here, and every city in the world they controlled by big devil and small demons, and but they are different bad things from devil to devil. There is many spirits, bad spirit, like crime, like another rape spirit, like another. They have everything, and like the devils like to live like a human, but he cannot do this. He lives in the spirit. That's why he come inside people to control, so he can control them, so he can feel like a human. That's why he's jealous. He's too much jealous from a human. I know this because Jesus, he showed me this. When Jesus, he was 40 days in this year, he was fasting and pray to God, because he want to take over the devil. But the demons, they couldn't come to Jesus because he's Jesus, and they come the devil he was angel, himself he come to Jesus, and he couldn't attack him. He only talked to him and say to him, if you do this, I will give you this. And Jesus, he never make deal with him, because he know he's Jesus, he's the Son of God. That's why when Jesus said to him, get behind me, Satan, he's like cast him away, because Jesus, he's Jesus, and he's the Son of God, and angels, they walk under him. That's why the devil, he cannot be smart, because we have the Holy Spirit. He's from God himself. The most weapon devil didn't like this. Holy Spirit. Holy Spirit is God, His word from God. He came from God. Jesus, he get the Holy Spirit from beginning. When he was inside the Mary stomach, he got the Holy Spirit, make him, and we get again Holy Spirit when he baptized by John. That's why the Holy Spirit is very important and big. I was thinking about people, they didn't believe this thing about Holy Spirit, and this they are too much easy to control them by the devil.